Yo, what's up everybody? Happy Monday. It's currently Veterans Day and I'm still back home for the week. Just finished editing the vlog. So yeah, this is week 4, so I'm pretty behind actually. This is the start of week 7. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna do some work and then head back later tonight. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Yo, what up? I am currently waiting for gas, but look at this line. Jeez. 7:30 right now. I'm heading back. I'll see you guys in an hour and a half. Yo, what's up everybody? Happy Tuesday. It's just me today. I'm heading to school. And yeah, we got a long day ahead. Stay tuned. Join in! Wow! So you decided to show us like a work.
So you're so extra! Wow, that's good. Do you want to be one of the corner vlogging? Yeah.
Hi, this is Andrew.
Hello. Andrew? I'm a P2, not a P1, just to clarify that. Yes, yes. How's it going? What do you need me for?
It's going good. No, do you have any words for my viewers?
Stay strong, eat your vegetables,
yes.
And approach every day as a brand new day and you're learning how to.
Wow.
Yeah. See you guys. Stay strong.
Oh shit. What up?
So good. Oh my god. I'm wearing heels today, you can't.
What's up? Hey, how's it going?
You and your camera all the time.
Wow, so obnoxious.
No, I had to take a picture today, so I was like,
hey, that's pretty sick though.
thank you.
How much did it cost you though?
I'm gonna say hi to the vlog.
What's good?
How much did it cost you?
Hey, I got my haircut this time, so. Hey.
You're not gonna see it till like 3 weeks. So.
I know. You just want.
Sorry.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
You feeding the camera or what?
Yeah, it is. I'm getting candy.
Get around. That's a big one. I don't know why I didn't get it. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Thank you.
How many slices did you get?
One.
Just one? No, before that.
This is my second slice, so.
It's like paint me like one of your French girls. Hey Qua. It's a cute little thing you got on top of your
Thank you. Do you want to pet it?
What does this do?
It's a mic.
Is it? He's also
They're pretty good.
Of course. How good?
Oh, this is fucking amazing.
You got small.
I went to bed at like, that's like when you sent it. I don't know, I didn't.
Dude, he needs to have his own bakery. It's like make brownies.
What's up, Sharon?
Oh, she's here?
Alright, I'm done. Yeah, thank you. I haven't been to like in conference. I'm not gonna be able to pay attention.
split them in half.
Dude. 20 out of 10.
20 out of 10.
Yeah. Easy. You should start your own bakery.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
that's my backup.
And then call it special
If
brownies.
I'm supposed to work out. Yeah.
Let me be the vlogger. What's that? We're law and ethics.
Can I help you?
You're supposed to say what week and what day.
Yo, is it on me again?
Yeah.
Yo, so it's week 7.
It's
and
week
it's champions. So we're doing our Champions for Health Food Clinic. We're leaving on. I'm sorry. Alright, bye. Hey, what's up everybody? So I just got back from a long day. It's Tuesday. So today I took a picture for World Diabetes Day or APHA, and it was a pretty great turnout. And then we had class law and ethics until like 4 or 5. And then yeah, we ended up being at Champions for Health Flu Clinic, and it was a great experience. Although I wanted to give more flu shots, it was a great way to network with our preceptor and, you know, just help out with the community. So now I'm gonna call it a night. Probably watch Doctor Strange. Oh wait, Doctor Strange. I'm gonna watch Doctor Sleep tonight, and it's gonna be a good time. Yo. We out here about to watch Doctor Sleep. See ya. So we went to see Doctor Sleep, and it was really good. 10 out of 10. Just kidding, I think 8 out of 10. No, 9 out of 10. But it was really creepy in the beginning, and then it got whatever, and then at the ending was pretty good. But yeah, now it's late and I have class at 8 AM tomorrow, and I'm trying to go home right now. So happy Tuesday. See y'all in the next one. Hi. So I'm not gonna be late because she's giving me a ride.
You're already late, dude.
But anyways.
You know what I'm gonna say.
Hi.
Wow, where's Lily?
Hi. She's studying.
Hey, how's Dr. Sleep?
4.5 weeks from now.
It sucks.
Wow. Her eyebrows look good.
I know. Look
Oh, thank you.
I've been on.
P2 life, man. Put this in the vlog claw.
Nice. Wow. What does it say? Honey. Sweet as sugar. Ernest!
What up?
What are you doing? What are you up to, chow mein?
I'm about to go to the health intern
There's
panel.
gonna be chow mein there too!
There's chow mein out there, dude. That's my namesake. That's what my parents named me after. Chow
Are you
mein.
excited for the intern panel?
Oh, absolutely. Yes. Absolutely.
Alright,
Peace out.
No, why did you grab this one?
Help some kill.
What's up, y'all? So we just did some studying, and then now we don't have dinner. Well, actually we do, but we're gonna get dinner. Where are we going?
We're going to Taco El Gordo.
Tacos El Gordo.
Tacos.
Okay. See ya. This train is stopping me from getting my tacos.
I'm so excited.
We're here. We're here. Oh my gosh, there's no one here. I know. It's okay.
That's so juicy.
Oh my god, look what came out!
So a little bit more detail.
I look so small. Maybe because I am small.
Yeah.
Yep.
My food.
Chicken breast, bacon breast, and some rice. Spaghetti.
Carb.
Where are we going, Maya?
The Price Center.
What is the price center?
Dry and good. Rather than
It's
bad and
an
wet.
undergrad campus.
Yeah, we're sneaking in. Okay, bye.
Oh.
Unbagging?
Unwrapping.
My sandwich. Mine was $3 cheaper than
What's that? I know. I got a sweet onion chicken teriyaki.
Because
It's hot.
It's hot. It's not bad. Let me open it. Oh, like a perforation? Oh, there you go.
Hey guys, so Trader Joe's Taco Bell.
Okay, I think I'm gonna try the old snake test on this thing. What am I doing? I think the slapping is because the dough it just wants to return to its original shape.
You're gonna try all the stuff?
I think I'm just going
Trader
to
Joe's
add
white
water to
truffle
it.
potato chips
This is a bad idea.
with Italian white truffles.
Adam, screw you. So mistakes were made. We found a very useful Cook's Illustrated article, and it turns out I did pretty much every ratio incorrectly. It also seems
Very
to be
truffly.
that working with
Okay, next.
exclusively bread. Feel good.
Roasted
Like the stuff I showed them.
gorgonzola.
First, flour, 7 grams salt, 540 grams of water. Pour me a little well. That one I did. Water. Okay, water.
Your turn.
I'm ready for some activities.
Alright, so we're on the way to the best event of the night. Throwdown at sundown.
Is that what it's
With
called?
KY. Yes.
Oh.
I'm excited. We're gonna be running around. It's cold out here. It's like 50 degrees. Just kidding, probably not.
Help! Help!
Do you have any commentary, Emily?
The only running I do is away from my problems, so.
This is what Skaggs looks like at night.
Oh my god. So creepy.
All like 20-inch biceps.
This is behind the scenes.
I don't know. I feel like there are people who.
Last biofarm lecture.
Yeah.
Last one.
I like this city.
See you later. This is the end of the week.
Privacy in the back.
Hello, Steven. What's up? How's your morning so far? It's good. I watched The Office.
Nice. So you can see a time to watch The Office.
Done that and you've established a correlation.
We're done. Katie's down again. But Maya's not here.
Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back. It's currently Friday. I just wanted to recap this week real quick. So basically Monday we had the day off and it was a great time. And then Tuesday was the start of our week in school. And it felt weird. It felt like a Monday basically. But yeah, Tuesday was really eventful. I took the picture for World Diabetes Day for APHA. Yeah, it was organized really well and the picture turned out great. Maybe I'll post the picture right now. And then also that day after class we had Champions for Health flu clinic. And yeah, we went out to downtown and then we served the underserved community, and then we gave them free flu shots. I wish the turnout was better, but it was still like a new event to us, and I think the location was a bit new. It could have been advertised better, but yeah, it was a good time. We got to network with a lot of people. It was very eye-opening. I talked to the precept. She works as a pharmacist in the prison systems, and it was really cool to see that side and that perspective of how the pharmacy works as a health system. But after that I went home and then I actually went to go see Dr. Sleep. After that was Wednesday. Didn't really do much. I think we had a conference that day, and then after that I went to Tacos El Gordo at night, and nothing beats Tacos El Gordo. It's amazing. And then Thursday we had class till like 3. And then we had the event with KY, which was Throwdown at Sundown, where we did activities with the brothers and also Rushies. So that was basically the week.
Today we had Biopharm in the morning, and that was our last lecture. So then for Biopharm we have a final next week, and then we'll be done with that course for the quarter. So next Monday is going to be our first OSCE, and for those of you guys that don't know what an OSCE is, it's basically it stands for Objective Structured Clinical Examination, and essentially this means that the school has a actor that comes in, they have a problem, you try to resolve the issue with your practice in whatever you're doing. So like for pharmacy, they're probably gonna come in with a question about medications, and then you're gonna be applying your knowledge to help them out. Yeah, I know most of the graduate programs have this, and yeah, it's a good way to test our knowledge and everything we've been studying. Oh yeah, and then me and Jessica this morning, we went to go get some stuff for our Friendsgiving that's happening later on today. So that's gonna be a good time. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. So I had to make a quick pit stop to Phil's. I got a mint mojito. Now I'm on the way back to the apartment, so I'll catch you guys back there. Yo, what's up everybody? It's currently Saturday. Just woke up from Andrews. Gonna head back right now. It's pretty early right now, 7:30. I should be back around 9 o'clock. It's gonna be a busy weekend. We got a lot of stuff next week, so. But yeah, thanks for following along. Yeah, catch me back at home. I'm so dumb. So I went to 7-Leaves, and then when I sat down, pulled out my laptop, 20%, and then I'm like looking for my charger, and I left it at home. So now I'm on the way back home to get my charger, and then I'm gonna come back to study some more. So what's up everybody, happy Sunday. Just uploaded a new vlog. I'm like 2 weeks behind, I think. It's really hard to catch up on vlogging when I have so much footage, and I don't really have time during the week to do it, but yeah, maybe I'll catch up on Thanksgiving break. Yeah, probably just gonna do some work today for next week, so catch me in the next clip. Yo, what's up? I secured the bag. Check out what I got. You guys already know it's the hyped chicken sandwich. Let's see how it is. Yeah, I'm in my old car right now. I don't know where to place it, so all right, let's try it out. Let's see if it's better than Chick-fil-A. That's my first time getting it too. Look at that. It's saucy. All right, let's see. Pretty good. I don't know. I can't really compare it to Chick-fil-A because I feel like it's different, but I like it. It's good. I mean, I didn't really wait for it, so, but if I had to wait like 15-30 minutes for this, I don't think it's worth it. It's good though. The sauce is pretty good. Their chicken is a little dry, but their bun is really good. I should start doing more mukbangs. Alright, I'm gonna go get some coffee right now, so catch you guys in a little bit. What's up y'all, I'm back at the apartment, and look what I brought back. So for the Friendsgiving, I bought a rotisserie chicken from Costco, but we never really touched it, so I just prepped it. Look how much chicken I have. This is gonna last me like for the week, maybe more. Didn't really vlog that much today because I was just doing the same old stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for tuning in, y'all.
if you guys have any video suggestions, leave it down in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for following along. I have 53 subs now, so that's pretty cool. But alright, I'll catch you guys next week.